Okay. I launched the book Diabetes Free World. Inside that book, there are certain techniques, certain methods which can help you free yourself from diabetes. It has been already 10 years I've been in the field of diabetes. So I've seen more than 20,000 diabetes patients. This means I've seen a lot of blood sugar patient. So diabetes patients are called the blood sugar patient. So I saw a lot of blood. And I saw a lot of sugar also, as you have seen also. But I have never seen blood sugar. Never in my life have I seen a blood sugar. I've done research work, even got an honorary PhD from Alliance International University, Lusaka, for my research work. Thank you. Thank you. So, I got one input in last 10 years of my study. There is nothing called blood sugar. No one has seen blood sugar. Anybody has seen blood sugar? You cannot see blood sugar because it do not exist. If you know the truth behind it, the same day you can be free of diabetes. I am saying blood sugar do not exist. I am not saying blood sugar patient do not exist. So I am saying blood sugar do not exist. Blood sugar patient exists, which we call diabetes. So when we were preparing for this program, and I plan to share this secret with you, there is nothing called blood sugar. And once you know this, from the same day, you can be free of diabetes. So thank you friends, thank you. While I was preparing for it, sending you invitation, you came from all across the country and many of you from out of India. I got a mail yesterday night from my university. The mail was, if you conduct this program on 12th of November 2017 in Shri Fort, and if you reveal the secret, your doctorate degree will cancel. Either you change your content or be prepared, your doctorate degree will be cancelled. So now I have two options. I can change my content so as to preserve my doctorate degree, or let the content be the same and let me forget about the doctorate degree. Which one you want? First or second? I'm just asking, which one you want? First or second? Huh? Second one? How many of you want the second one? How many want the first one? Nobody. So that is a kind of threat which I got. But then it reminded me of my one friend. He is right here with us. Srivardhan, can you please come on the stage? इनका एक डायलॉग याद आ गया मुझे. So वो डायलॉग अगर आप एक बार और बता देंगे मुझे तो वो हिम्मत आ जाएगी. आई विल गो फॉर सेकंड वन.
सन्नाटे को चीरती सनसनी सन्न कर देती है इंसान को. मुजरिम को खबरदार करना हमारा फर्ज, जुर्म से महफूज रहना आपका हक. देखिए सनसनी हर रात 11 बजे सिर्फ एबीपी न्यूज पर. आप सबका बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया, बहुत बहुत साधुवाद.
So friends, I've chosen the second one. I thought, let the truth reach to the people. So the truth is, thank you, there is nothing called blood sugar. If you understand this, instantly you will be free of diabetes, instantly you will be protected from heart disease, you will be protected from heart attack, you will be protected from brain stroke. I am not saying there is nothing called brain stroke or heart attack. There is a disease called heart disease, but you can protect it. Protect yourself from that. If you understand only one thing, and that is, there is nothing called blood sugar. To make you understand this, I made a small cup or a glass. It is called food index glass. That glass will reach to all of you. There is a small tool I made for all of you. which you will take it as a gift from my side from today itself. And through that tool, you will understand the confusion and the conspiracy behind blood sugar. Okay, so this means we have to do it. Can we do it? Okay. So now you are going to take a blood from my body and you put. Yeah, should I sit? Okay. यहाँ बैठना? Okay. So what I am doing now, I am taking the blood from my body, and I have this glucose inside it. I'll put the blood, I'll put the the glucose in the blood. Before putting in the blood, I'll check the blood sugar. That is my normal blood sugar. Right? And when I'll check with the glucometer, the camera is there on the stage. The cameraman, can you come close so that you can zoom in the who will zoom in? Okay. Yeah. Okay. Thank you. Tyson. Now the blood is out. Now we'll check what is my blood sugar reading. Please check the blood sugar reading. Yeah. No. Okay. I'll help myself. What is the reading? Reading is 160. Can you see the reading? Okay, it is 160. Now I put, what is this? First is glucose. Where is glucose? Where is glucose? Here it is glucose. Yeah, put it in the glucose. Now I am adding the blood to the glucose. Okay. Nikal raha? Sorry. Now I am adding. Take. Yeah. Now check the reading. What happens? It is high. High means beyond 500. So my normal sugar was 160 without adding. When I added glucose, it became more than 500. If I add fructose, the other sugar which is more sweeter than glucose, what will happen? Let's see. Now add fructose. In another packet, this here I have fructose inside it along with the blood, and now see what happens. It became 109. 109. Can you see in the screen? Yeah. Can you zoom in, or should I come closer to the? So it is 109 now. Fructose. यहाँ पे है, देखिए तो. Great. Fructose is found in fruits. When you eat fruits and lettuce, it reduces the blood sugar. If you are a diabetes patient, and if you promise that every day you will eat 1 kg of mango, or 1 dozen of banana, or grapes as much as you feel like, within few days, you cannot remain diabetes patient. You cannot remain diabetes patient. The lie of 100 years, don't eat mango. Because they know If they eat mango, they will be cured. And if they get cured, who will come to us? I have published my research paper on this. My research paper got published in a respected Journal of Metabolic Syndrome. You can check on the Google, you'll find that. So in that research paper, I have proved all this. The moment you know the truth, most of you will get cured. And our gain is the loss of somebody else. I'll not name, only I will say, the diabetes medicine which you are buying, especially the insulin. Do you know there are only 3 companies who control 99% of the insulin market? 99% of the insulin market. So, if you don't buy insulin, and thank you, don't buy insulin, then the rich country will become poor, and this means the money will not go out of your India, and the equation will change. Thank you. Now, why the blood sugar went down? Let me explain this scientifically. Because when you eat mango, it contains fructose. Fructose cannot add to blood to increase the number. Fructose go to liver, it hides. It cannot add, right? So, the equation, the mechanism of fructose is different from glucose. So that's why the doctors say blood glucose. They never say blood fructose. Have you ever heard what is a blood fructose? Never. They say what is a blood glucose, right? So, number one truth, there is nothing called blood sugar, it is blood glucose. But because when you say blood sugar, that means blood glucose, blood sucrose, blood fructose, blood aspartame, blood saccharin. So, you confuse the people. You confuse. So that's why they say blood glucose, blood sugar. Rather it is blood glucose. It is only the glucose which add to the blood. Right? So it should be called as blood glucose, not blood sugar. The moment you say blood sugar, you are confusing yourself, and in that confusion you remain a diabetes patient, you live in diabetes and you die in diabetes. Only in this one confusion.